Hello mga kalaags, good afternoon, no? Kumusta? Kumusta kayo dyan? Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon, pauwi po ako ng bahay namin. We are living in the place called Tent City. Okay? Now, yan yung ating pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Why is our place called Tent City? Okay?
I got the feeling tracks.
In Barangay San Isidro, where I am staying at, where the barangay that I'm staying at, they added one sitio. It's called Tent City. Bakit siya tinawag na Tent City? Well, simply because in 1991, November 5 to be exact, may nangyari kasing malaking flash flood. It was high noon, around 12:30 the most, siesta time ng mga tao, nang biglang nagkaroon ng flash flood, and it actually lost lives of about 8,000 people all in all in just one quick flash flood. Now, dahil sa pangyayaring iyon, wala kasing ibang lugar na pwedeng tirhan ng mga tao. So ang ginawa ngayon ng city government of Ormoc at that time, I believe that time the mayor of Ormoc nung time na iyon ay si I think si Mayor Mayor Maria Victoria Locsin. They actually looked for a place to put an evacuation center or an area to actually give home to people whose home were actually washed out by the flood. By the way, ito na po yung Tent City. Yan. Ito po yung aming lugar. Ito po. Okay. Ito po yung Tent City. So, yan. Ito yung Tent City. Yan. So, for now, I will park here. I will just talk a little bit about this place. Okay, so going back, itong ating itong Tent City kasi nilagay ito ng City Government of Ormoc. Kasi wala kasi matitirhan yung mga tao, yung mga bahay na na-wash out nung 1991, wala kasi silang matitirhan. So ginawa ng may mga aid or may mga tulong na dumating, and then ang nangyari is naglagay sila ng mga malaking tent sa lugar na ito, bilang shelter ng ating mga kababayan na nawalan ng bahay dahil doon sa malaking baha na nangyayari noong 1991. So what happened now was doon na naging Tent City yung lugar. So pangalan ngayon ng lugar is Tent City. Kasi kung makikita mo dati dito, halos lahat ng mga bahay dito ay yari sa tent. Okay? They are made out of big tents, huge tents, before, and most of the houses here were actually made of tent. That is why it was called Tent City. And as the years goes by, eventually people are starting to live here. They begin to build their lives again. And napagawa na sila ng mga sarili nilang bahay. Ngayon, itong lugar na ito is, ang tawag nito is Tent City. But may dinagdag na government housing. Kasi ang mga nakatira po dito ngayon mostly are actually employed from the city government of Ormoc. Okay, so yung karamihan dito ay nakatrabaho ngayon sa city government. Just an addition to the discussion, sa harapan niyo po, sa pinakaharapan niyo, if you look at the video right now, you will see a tricycle and a car. Diretso lang yung may lumabas na sasakyan na yan dyan. That is actually Villa Teresa, another subdivision that is actually private. This place is actually Tent City is actually a government land, and was awarded through a raffle to our employees of the city government. So nagpaparaffle yung ating LGU. So kung sino man yung nanalong taga city government, so sa kanila nila yung lupa, ano. So yun yung maganda doon. And our patron saint, should you wanna know, is actually si Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. So yung fiesta namin dito is December 8, every December 8, no? So kaka-fiesta lang namin nung December, no? So again, this is we are located in Barangay San Isidro, Ormoc City. So this is the exact address for this place is Sitio 10th City Government Housing, Barangay San Isidro, Ormoc City. And we are actually, meron kasi kaming yung 10th City namin is actually has lots of blocks, or yung purok, kumbaga, no. We are divided into 12 puroks or 12 blocks all in all, no? Blocks 1 to 12. Okay, so itong area na ito ngayon na kung saan nakahinto tayo is actually block 2. Okay, the only funny thing about this place is yung block, yung positioning kasi ng block nila is medyo nakakalito po, ano. So ito, so this is block 2. Okay, so if we go forward, sandali, ikot tayo ng saglit, ha. Pasensya na po kasi yung natatabunan po yung camera, yan. So ito po yung block 2. Forward. So, dito na nagsisimula yung kalituhan. Okay, so if we turn left, okay, to where my house is located, okay, so this is on your right side right now is already block 4. Okay, right side is block 4, left side is block 5. Okay, so medyo confusing siya, no? And then ano ba, mismo ako nalilito din, eh. So but this is actually to continue, this is actually 10th City, ano. So I believe this one here is block 6. Yeah, I think this is block 6. Yeah, this one here. Itong may bahay nito dito. Block 6. Itong may sasakyan, yan yung block 4. Block 6. Block 6 ba yun? Kalimutan ko na. Kaya nga, this is actually a little bit confusing. Oh, this is actually, yeah, block 7 pala, sorry. Block 7, okay. So, this is, this one here is, I think, block 9. Ba? Yeah, anyways, no, so much for that. We will actually be, by the start of, hopefully by next year or this year, no, we will be able na to identify the different blocks here in 10th City, kasi we're going to be putting up signages, no, and we will be naming them after a month, ano, so January, February to December. So since we already have 11 blocks lang pala lahat, no, since we have until November, so 11 blocks all in all. However, the December is actually fiesta, no? So that's December 8. So timing din siya na hanggang block 11 lang kami, kasi yung naka block 12 is December, no? So in time for our fiesta. Confusing. Anyways, no, so yun, I'll get our blockage is the block names will be set in place by next year, hopefully, ano, because a lot of people actually are confused, no, even me. I've been living here for a long time now, no, and I'm still confused about the block area, kung anong block itong mga taong ito nakatira, no? But unfortunately, the funny thing about this place is I actually am the homeowner, president of this place, but still there are still things to ano ba, Marami pang dapat gawin sa lugar na ito, no, para pagandahin, no. So it's a little bit of a challenge for me though as the president of the Homeowners Association. But nevertheless, no, I have shown you what is this place all about, Tent City. Bakit ito tinawag na Tent City? Okay? Just a recap lang, tinawag po ito na Tent City. It's actually because noong 1991 during the Typhoon Uring. Uring yung pangalan ng flash flood, ano? The Typhoon Uring flash flood, yung mga tao wala kasing matitirhan, so binigyan sila ng lugar, and then tinitirhan nila na mga bahay dati is made out of tent. Okay? So, dito nila nilagay yung mga tents. Buong area na ito ay puno ng tent, kaya ito pinangalanan na Tent City. And nadala na yung pangalan from 1991 hanggang ngayon, Tent City pa rin itong pangalan na ito. Okay? And we are located in Barangay San Isidro. Alright? So, I think that's it for now, mga kalaags. Hopefully, by the next time around, we can find some things that are a bit more, interesting naman itong natin kasi nga, we are trying to find out kung ano yung pangalan ng lugar, no? Bakit ito, saan nang galing. But hopefully, in the next video, no, may share pa akong iba na maganda rin. So again, mga kalaag, I would like to ask and request guys for your support, no, please help me and support me on this channel, Gang Tour Guide TV. Kindly click on the like, please share, please subscribe, and please hit the bell for you to be notified. Okay, so again, thank you for the support, mga kalaags. And God bless you all, and see you on the next video. Bye.
I'll get the two tracks.